Learning objectives. We will discuss the following topics in this chapter: crisp and fuzzy logic, fuzzy membership functions, fuzzy rule-based systems, probability and Bayes theorem, certainty factors, Dempster-Shafer theory, non-monotonic reasoning and truth monitoring systems. Certainty factors. To represent and manipulation of uncertain knowledge in the early 1980s, rule-based expert systems, the certainty factor model was a key factor. Uncertainties of rule-based system. Often, the rules reflected connections are not absolutely certain, that is, deterministic, and the gathered information is often subject to uncertainty. In such cases, a certainty measure is added to the premises as well as the conclusions in the rules of the system. A rule provides a describing that how much a change in the certainty of the premise reflects in changing the certainty of the conclusion. There are many schemes for treating uncertainty in rule-based systems. Adding certainty factors, adoptions of Dempster-Shafer belief functions, inclusion of fuzzy logic. In these schemes, uncertainty action is connected directly to incoming rules and uncertainty of their elements. Example, if C with certainty X, then B with certainty G of X. If A holds with certainty A and C holds with certainty C, then what is the certainty of B? Crisp and fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, FL. Fuzzy logic is a term derived from fuzzy set theory which deals with appropriate reasoning rather than precisely deduced from classical two-valued logic. FL is the application of fuzzy set theory. FL allows set membership values to range inclusively between 0 and 1. Imprecise concepts are well handled by FL. FL allows the set membership values to imprecise concepts like in linguistic form, slightly, quite, and very. Crisp. In a classical set theory, the characteristics function mu x of x has only values 0, which is false, and 1, which is true. Such sets are crisp sets. Dempster-Shafer theory. DST is a mathematical theory of evidence based on belief functions and plausible reasoning. It is used to combine fragmented pieces of information, evidence, to calculate the probability of an event. DST offers an alternative to traditional probabilistic theory for the mathematical representation of uncertainty. DST can be regarded as a more general approach to represent uncertainty than the Bayesian approach. Bayesian methods are sometimes inappropriate. Example: let A represent the proposition Manish is attractive. Then the axioms of probability insist that P of A plus P of not A is equal to 1. Now suppose that Anand does not even know who Manish is. Then we cannot say that Anand believes the proposition if he has no idea what it means. Also, it is not fair to say that he disbelieves the proposition. It would therefore be meaningful to denote Anand's belief B of A and B of not A as both being 0. Certainty factors do not follow this. Dempster-Shafer model. The idea is to allocate a number between 0 and 1 and to indicate a degree of belief on a proposal as in the probability framework. However, it is not considered a probability but a belief mass. Basic belief assignment distributes the masses. In other words, in this formalism, a degree of belief, referred as mass, is represented as belief function rather than Bayesian probability distribution. Fuzzy membership functions. A fuzzy set A defined in the universal space X is a function defined in X which assumes values in the range 0, 1. A fuzzy set A is written as a set of pairs x, a of x. A is equal to x, a of x, x in the set capital X, where x is an element of the universal space X. A of x is the value of the function a for this element. The value a of x is the degree of membership of the element x in a fuzzy set A. Fuzzy rule-based system. The fuzzy linguistic descriptions are formal representation of systems made through fuzzy if-then rule. They encode knowledge about a system in statements of the form: if a set of conditions are satisfied, then a set of consequence can be inferred. If x1 is a1, x2 is a2, xn is an, then y1 is b1, y2 is b2, and yn is bn. Here, linguistic variables xi, yj take the values of fuzzy sets ai and bj respectively. Example: if there is heavy rain and strong wind, then there must be severe flood warnings. Here, heavy, strong, and severe are fuzzy sets, qualifying the variables rain, wind, and flood warnings respectively. A collection of rules referring to a particular system is known as fuzzy rule base. If the conclusion C to be drawn from a rule base R is the conjunction of all the individual consequence Ci of each rule, then C is equal to C1 intersection C2 intersection up to intersection Cn, where mu C of y is equal to minimum of mu C1 of y, mu C2 of y, mu Cn of y, for all y belongs to y, where y is universe of discourse. On the other hand, if the conclusion C to be drawn from a rule base R is disjunction of the individual consequence of each rule, then C is equal to C1 union C2 union up to union Cn, where mu C of y is equal to maximum of mu C1 of y, mu C2 of y, mu Cn of y, for all y belongs to y, where y is universe of discourse. Non-monotonic reasoning and truth monitoring systems. Non-monotonic reasoning. Non-monotonic reasoning is a generic name to class or a specific theory of reasoning. Non-monotonic reasoning attempts to formalize reasoning with incomplete information by classical logic systems. The non-monotonic reasoning are the following type: default reasoning, circumscription, truth maintenance or monitoring systems. People arrive to conclusions only tentatively, based on partial or incomplete information, reserve the right to retract those conclusions while they learn new facts. Such reasoning in non-monotonic precisely because the set of accepted conclusions have become smaller when the set of premises is expanded. Default reasoning. This is a usual form of non-monotonic reasoning. The conclusions are drawn out of it seems to be true. There are two approaches. Both are logical in defaulting the reasoning: non-monotonic logic, default logic. Circumscription. Circumscription is a non-monotonic logic which focuses to formalize the common sense assumption. Circumscription is a formalized rule of conjecture, guess, used along with the rules of inference of first-order logic. Circumscription involves formulating rules of thumb with abnormality. It predicates and restricts the extension of those predicates, circumscribing them. It enables them to apply only to those things which they are currently known. Truth Monitoring Systems (TMS). Reasoning Maintenance System (RMS) intends to assure the validity of inferences made by the reasoning system (RS). Several implementations of RMS have been proposed for non-monotonic reasoning. Two among them are given below. Truth Maintenance Systems (TMS), Assumption-Based Truth Maintenance Systems (ATMS). A truth monitoring system maintains consistency in knowledge representation of a truth knowledge base. It considers only one state at a time, so it is not possible to manipulate environment. The assumption-based truth monitoring system, ATMS, is intended to maintain multiple environments. The functions of TMS are to provide justification for conclusions, to recognize inconsistencies, to support default reasoning. Provide justification for conclusions. When a problem-solving system gives an answer to a user's query, it requires an answer. Example, an advice to a stockbroker is supported by an advice. This is constructed by the inference engine, i.e., by tracing the justification of the assertion. Recognize inconsistencies. The IE probably expresses the TMS that some sentences are contradictory. Afterwards, TMS may find that all those sentences are believed to be true, and reports to the IE can eliminate the inconsistency by determining the assumptions used and changing them appropriately. Example, a statement that either Abbott or Babbitt or Cabot or Cabot is guilty, together with other statements that Abbott is not guilty, Babbitt is not guilty, and Cabot is not guilty from a contradiction. Support default reasoning. In the absence of any firm knowledge, in many situations, we want to reason from default assumptions. Example, Tweety is a bird, then until told otherwise, assume that Tweety flies. And for justification, use the fact that Tweety is a bird and the assumption that birds fly. Implementation issues. The issues and weakness regarding implementation of non-monotonic reasoning in problem solving are: how to derive exactly those non-monotonic conclusions that are relevant to solving the problem at hand without wasting time on unnecessary things. How to update our knowledge while problem solving is in progress. How to overcome the problem where more than one interpretation of known facts is qualified or approved by the available inference rules. In general, the theories do not possess computational effective, decidable or semi-decidable. Probability and Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem relates the conditional and marginal probabilities of two random events in probability theory. Probability. The probabilities are numeric values between 0 and 1. Both represent ideal uncertainties, not beliefs. Probability of event A is P of A. P of A is equal to instances of the event A by total instances. P of A is equal to 0, indicates total uncertainty in A. P of A is equal to 1, indicates total certainty. O lesser than P of A lesser than 1. Values in between tells degree of uncertainty. Probability rules. All probabilities probably lies between 0 and 1, inclusive of 0 lesser than or equal to P of E lesser than or equal to 1. The sum of all the probabilities in the same sample space is 1. The probability of event must occur as 1. The probability of sample space is 1. The probability of any event which is not in the sample space is 0. If the probability of an event does not occur, P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E. Probability. Example 1. A single six-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of each outcome? What is the probability of rolling an even number? What is the probability of rolling an odd number? The possible outcome of this experiment is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probabilities are P of 1 is equal to number of ways to roll 1 by total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of 2, number of ways to roll 2 by total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of 3. Number of ways to roll 3. Total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of 4 is equal to number of ways to roll 4 by total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of 5. Number of ways to roll 5 by total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of 6 is equal to number of ways to roll 6 by total number of sides is equal to 1 by 6. P of even is equal to ways to roll even number by total number of sides is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. P of odd is equal to ways to roll odd number by total number of sides is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Conditional probability P of A or B. A conditional probability is the probability of an event given which reflects occurrence of another event. Example, roll 2 dice. What is the probability that the total of 2 dice will be greater than 8 given that the first die is a 6? First list of the joint possibilities for the 2 dices are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, and so on till 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. There are 6 outcomes for which the first die is as 6. Among these, there are 4 outcomes that total more than 8 are 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. The probability that the total is greater than 8 given that first die is 6 is therefore 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. The probability is written as P of total greater than 8 or first die is equal to 6 is equal to 2 by 3. P of A or B is the probability of event A given that the event B has occurred. Probability of A and B is P of A and B. The probability events A as well as B occur. That is, 2 events probably are independent if one of its occurrences is unrelated to the probability of occurrence of the other. If A and B are independent, probability that events A and B both occur is P of A and B is equal to P of A into P of B. If A and B are not independent, then probability that events A and B both occur is P of A and B is equal to P of A into P of conditional probability of B given A, where P of conditional probability of B given A is conditional probability of B given A. Example, P of A and B if events A and B are independent. Draw a card from a deck, then replacing it by drawing another card. Find probability that first card is Ace of Clubs, event A, and second card is any club, event B. Since there is only one Ace Clubs, probability is P of A is equal to 1 by 52. Since there are 13 clubs, the probability P of B is equal to 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, P of A and B is equal to P of A into P of B is equal to 1 by 52 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 208. Example, P of A and B if events A and B are not independent. Draw a card from a deck. Without replacing it, draw another card. Find probability that both cards are aces. That is, the first card is ace, event A, and the second card is also ace, event B. Since 4 of 52 cards are aces, therefore probability P of A is equal to 4 by 52 is equal to 1 by 13. Of the 51 remaining cards, 3 are aces. So, probability of second card is also ace. Event B is P of B conditional A is equal to 3 by 51 is equal to 1 by 17. Therefore, P of A and B is equal to P of A into P of B conditional A is equal to 1 by 13 into 1 by 17 is equal to 1 by 221. Probability of A or B is P of A or B. The probability of either event A or event B occur. Two events are mutually exclusive unless they occur at same time. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then probability that events A or B occur is P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. If A and B are not mutually exclusive, then probability that events A or B occur is P of A or B is equal to P of A into P of B given A minus P of A and B, where P of A and B is probability that events A and B both occur while events A and B are independent, and P of B given A is conditional probability of B given A. Example, P of A or B. If events A and B are mutually exclusive, while rolling a die, find probability of getting either event A as 1 or event B as 6. Since it is impossible to get both the event A as 1 and event B as 6 in some roll, these two events are mutually exclusive. The probability P of A is equal to P of 1 is equal to 1 by 6 and P of B is equal to P of 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Hence, probability of either event A or event B is P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Example, P of A or B. If events A and B are not mutually exclusive, find probability of a card from a deck probably be either an ace or a spade. Probability P of A is P of ace is equal to 4 by 52 and P of B is P of spade is equal to 13 by 52. One way in a single draw to be ace and spade, which is only one. So, probability P of A and B is P of ace and spade is equal to 1 by 52. Therefore, the probability of event A or B is P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B is equal to P of ace plus P of spade minus P of ace and spade is equal to 4 by 52 plus 13 by 52 minus 1 by 52 is equal to 16 by 52 is equal to 4 by 13. Bayesian networks. A Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model. It represents a set of variables and their probabilistic independencies. A Bayesian network can represent the probabilistic relationships between diseases and symptoms. With given symptoms, the network can be used to compute the probabilities of the presence of various diseases. Bayesian network. A Bayesian network consists of a set of nodes and a set of directed edges among nodes. The edges reflect cause and effect relations within the domain. The effects are not completely deterministic. The strength of an effect is modeled as a probability. Bayes' theorem. Bayesian view of probability is related to a degree of belief. It is a measure of the plausibility of an event given incomplete knowledge. Bayes' theorem can have so many terms rather than this alone, like Bayes' rule or Bayes' law, or called Bayesian reasoning. The probability of an event A conditional on another event B, that is, P of A conditional B is generally different from probability of B conditional on A, that is P of B conditional A. A definite relationship between the two, P of A conditional B and P of B conditional A, is brought out a statement by Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem is a way to calculate P of A conditional B from a knowledge of P of B conditional A. Bayes' theorem is a result that allows new information to be used to update the conditional probability of an event. Let S be a sample space. Let A1, A2 up to AN be a set of mutually exclusive events from S. Let B any event from the same S such that P of B is greater than 0. Then Bayes' theorem describes the following two probabilities. P of AK conditional B is equal to P of AK intersection B by P of A1 intersection B plus P of A2 intersection B plus up to P of AN intersection B, and by invoking the fact P of AK intersection B is equal to P of AK into P of B conditional AK, the probability. P of AK conditional B is equal to P of AK into P of B conditional AK by P of A1 into P of B conditional A1 plus P of A2 into P of B conditional A2 plus up to P of AN into P of B conditional AN. Applying Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem is applied with the existence of the following conditions. The sample space S is partitioned into a set of mutually exclusive events A1, A2 up to AN. Within S, there exists an event B for which P of B is greater than 0. The goal is to compute a conditional probability of the form P of AK conditional B. You know at least one of the two sets of probabilities described below. P of AK intersection B for each AK, P of AK and P of B conditional AK for each AK. Example: applying Bayes' theorem. Problem: Pooja's marriage is tomorrow. In recent years, each year it has rained only 5 days. The weatherman has predicted rain for tomorrow. When it actually rains, the weatherman correctly forecast rain 90% of the time. When it doesn't rain, the weatherman incorrectly forecasts rain 10% of the time. Question: what is the probability that it will rain on the day of Pooja's wedding? Solution: the sample space is defined two mutually exclusive events. It rains or it does not rain. Additionally, a third event occurs when the weatherman predicts rain. The events and probabilities are: Event 1. Rains on Pooja's wedding. Event 2. Does not rain on Pooja's wedding. Event B. Weatherman predicts rain. P of A1 is equal to 5 by 365 is equal to 0.0136985. Rains 5 days in a year. P of A2 360 by 365 equal to 0.986301. Does not rain 360 days in a year. P of B conditional A1 is equal to 0.9. When it rains, the weatherman predicts rain 90% time. P of B conditional A2 is equal to 0.01. When it does not rain, weatherman predicts rain 10% time. The answer can be determined from Bayes' theorem. P of A1 conditional B is equal to P of A1 into P of B conditional A1 by P of A1 into P of B conditional A1 plus P of A2 into P of B conditional A2 is equal to 0.014 into 0.9 divided by 0.014 into 0.9 plus 0.986 into 0.1, which is equal to 0.111. So, in spite of the weatherman's prediction, there is a good chance of no rain on Pooja's wedding.
Conclusion. In this chapter, we have covered the following in detail.
Crisp and fuzzy logic, fuzzy membership functions, fuzzy rule-based systems, probability and Bayes theorem, certainty factors, Dempster-Shafer theory, non-monotonic reasoning and truth monitoring systems.